are we on the moon? Because if you look, half of planet Earth is being destroyed. So yeah. So we have to live on the moon for like 10 days, and then the moon is gonna get back again. But what kind of planet that reveals planet Earth? Oh well, you know, JB 427 is not the one with not the exoplanet. It's not the exoplanet. The planet that's very bigger than Jupiter. Oh, like that. Yeah. So he's gonna reheal back planet Earth if it's already gone, and then we can get to live on Earth again. Yeah. Okay. Everyone get in the Space Ranger. Everyone get inside the Space Ranger. Everyone get back inside the Space Ranger. Alright, man, we're ready to go. We're ready to go to our building. Anyways, where are we going today in the Space Ranger? Oh, well, you know, it's very moon gravity, so we gotta keep ensure that we don't actually fly up into the sky. Woo! It's dropping! Oh my god. Let's find a building. Let's go up here. Handbrake through a crater. Maybe this would be good. Maybe this would be good for our camping spot, but no, we can't. Maybe we can jump over this cliff to see what's over here. Oh, turn. Oh, we broke our wheel. Can we still drive? Yes, of course. Oh, no, never mind. Yes. Let's find a place that we can go on a mountain. Tokyo. Maybe we should have chosen a fast vehicle. Maybe we can camp on a cliff so that we could see around to see what to. Oh, that's a big one. That's a big drop off there. Maybe this could be a good place. Beep 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 beep. Maybe this could be a good place. Maybe this could be a good place to park. Yeah, anyways, everyone, get out of the vehicle. We're camping here. Alright, so let's build our tent, okay? What do we have in our tent? We have cars. Maybe we should camp over here. We have cars, our own cars. Wall. We're gonna camp here, boys. Our vehicle will be ready for this. No, it doesn't work. Anyways, we're gonna add a platform. We're gonna add something that's gonna be over on the top so that we don't have any burning. This a platform. That's way too low to the ground. Actually, we can use that as our floor if we can do. There's a little bit of thing here. But how do we get it on the roof? I don't know, maybe we could just use it like that. Yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna move my vehicle. It's so close. Oh no, stop. How do we? What are we doing here? Oh no! No. This is you. Let's just lay down. Let's just lay down. I'm just gonna lay down on the ground. Where's our vehicle? Oh no, our vehicle has run away. Wee! The vehicle's dropping. Maybe we should have chosen a faster vehicle. Maybe we could only choose a car. Lada Vesta. It could be good for this. He's just a taxi on the moon. He's just drifting. No, never mind. He's not. Did he? Don't run over the dude. Don't run over the dude. Put it in handbrake. Anyways, we're gonna live here until the next day. We're just living here. We're just living there. Okay. This is my dad. This is my sister. My brother. And my okay. Few hours later. Oh, is the Earth back already? Let's look at the Earth. Ooh, it looks like it has been. Looks like it has been. Already there. Guys, let's get in our spaceship. Guys, wake up! What's wrong? The spaceship is. The Earth is being held back again. Let's go in the car. Yeah. Yeah, let's go. You have to say we're gonna have to get a spaceship. No, we're gonna make our own because there's no spaceship on the moon. Jump off this cliff. Oh no! We have an idea. I can change gravity. How? Ding! Gravity's back to normal, yay! Oops. Maybe this isn't good. Let's go. Ow! Anyways, guys, I think we're about to go. I think we're gonna climb up the. Open the door. Why are you still in there? We have to go back to Russia. I want to go back to Russia. Maybe. Oh no! We're rolling over. We rolled over in our bus. Get up. we'll make our spaceship. Yay! We made it back to planet Earth! Yay! It's so good. We made it back to planet Earth! Yay! Alright, now let's go home. Alright, let's go home. The end.